I'm of two minds about Cisco Systems' new Yumi, which brings its telepresence video conferencing technology from the boardroom into your living room. On the one hand, it's the best experience with internet video I've ever had. Full 1080p high definition on my big screen television. When it's working right, it's the next best thing to being in the same room with whoever you're talking to. On the other hand, there are just still too many issues of cost and complexity. You may have heard of the Yumi from the Oprah Winfrey Show, where it's displaced Skype as the hookup of choice for remote guests. The Yumi isn't much harder to use than a telephone. You dial, someone answers, and you're instantly in communication. If you have enough bandwidth, the video is smooth and fluid. If the person you're calling doesn't answer, you'll get a video greeting asking you to leave a message, which can then either be retrieved just like a voicemail message from the Yumi itself or from a Cisco website. So it isn't using the Yumi that's the problem. It's what you have to go through to use it. For one thing, it's expensive. The hardware, which costs $599, is just the beginning. Buyers must also sign up for the service, which costs $25 a month, making the total first-year cost $900. Moreover, setup can be a real pain. First, you have to mount the bulky camera just so on top of your TV. Then you have to hook it up to the Yumi set-top box and hook everything up to your TV and to the internet. By the time I was done, I had 6 cables and cords of various types running to and from the Yumi. And for now, the only people you can call are either other Yumi users or users of Google's video chat service. Want to call somebody who uses Skype or Apple's FaceTime? You're out of luck. So let's see. Yumi is for really affluent people who can afford to buy a couple of them and who have an engineer or two in the family. Or at least, like Oprah, can afford to hire them. For Bloomberg News and Business Week, I'm Jaroslovsky.